Well, it's me and Zach here. I'm bored as hell, so rainy day, we're gonna go out and do some jugging today.
Jug fishing, pick up the 4-wheeler, get the boat, get the didnt, push it up into the boat. Now it'll be a 4-wheeler and go jug fishing from the jugs we got sitting right over there. On the trash pile right there, the jugs right there.
Yeah, right there.
Second half of the day, chuck out there.
Well, now
We're gonna hook up the didnt, 12 footer, so you can see right there the 4-wheeler about to go fishing. Alright. See you now. Well, we got the didnt hooked up to the Yamaha blaster. About to go fishing. Alright.
I'll do some fishing. You're gonna run right off of this fence.
Hold on, go ahead to that.
Go, 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 go! Got our jug making material here. We got some 30-pound test mono, ounce weights, hole and spring, about a quart bottle, some hooks. Alright, get them on through the hook. Well, we got us a bucket full of jugs. Jugs out here. We go down there in a little bit and set them out. Alright, we got jug number 1 going out.
Can't really see him because it's raining. I don't want to fuck my mom's camera up. There we go. Jug number 1. Shit, dude. This fucking camera's getting fucked up.
We already got one of them.
Alright, guys. Well, it's going to be the same for each and every one. We don't want to fuck this camera up, so we got to take it off.
Oh, no. Let's take it down now.
Trey's out there getting the jugs. Camera's being a little gay. I think it got a little wet yesterday. Out here in the go-kart. Thinking we'll have to get the Donzie out here and get the jugs. They're in the middle. One right over there, and that was on the bottom yesterday, so might be a fish on. Don't know. What? Line's gone?
Yeah, something ripped the line off too.
Damn, something ripped the line off that one. Alright, we'll have to come back with more line and more hooks. Alright, guys. Well, we're going to go get the Donzie and be right back and get us some damn fishes. Well, we got the Donzie all hooked up to the go-kart. I had our ass down there, Trey.
Going down the pond. Down there to the lake.
Down there to the lake.
Get our jug.
Hook that damn troll motor up and get our shit. That was good. My bad. Fucking shit.
Well, we just rolled out to Walmart. Got our jugging bait. Got our jugs out there.
Jugs.
Hooking up our 25 horsepower Shakespeare troll motor.
The Ever Start battery. Alright, guys. Got the anchor. Everything's set. See you down there. Alright, well, Trey's out there in the boat. And, I don't know if you can hear him, but he said T-bone redneck. But right there, I'm a Donzie going out there to get the damn fucking things. The jugs. There's another one right there. I don't know. We thought we had some on there the other day, and played with the bait, and that was it. And bopped a few times, but start back up. We got one on there. Alright, guys. Trey got all the jugs up, but didn't get nothing on there. We're using bacon, so we're using cut Popeye mullet, some saltwater bait. See if we can catch something on that. It's coming back in now. I'm about to hook it up to the go-kart and pull it up the hill. Alright, well, I guess we're gonna go fishing in the saltwater later. Alright, bye.